Number 10. Meganeuropsis. Around 300 million years ago, the skies of Earth were ruled by a creature we can hardly imagine today. Meganeuropsis is considered the largest flying insect ever known. Although it resembled modern dragonflies, what truly made it terrifying was its size. Its wingspan reached up to 75 centimeters, making it larger than many bird species alive today. At that time, oxygen levels in the atmosphere were much higher than they are now. This allowed insects to grow to truly gigantic sizes. Imagine walking through a prehistoric forest and seeing an insect the size of a bird flying right over your head. Number 9. Arthropleura. Arthropleura was the largest land invertebrate to have ever lived. This creature lived around 300 million years ago and looked like a giant, armored millipede. It could grow up to 2.6 meters long and weigh over 50 kilograms. Its segmented body and massive size made it one of the most frightening land creatures of its era. Although its exact diet is still debated, its size alone meant that almost nothing on land could challenge it. Number 8. Titanoboa. After the extinction of the dinosaurs, one might think the danger was over, but their place was taken by another monster. Titanoboa was the largest snake ever known. It lived about 60 million years ago in hot, swampy, tropical regions. It reached lengths of 13 to 14 meters and weighed over 1 ton. Titanoboa was powerful enough to ambush and crush massive prey, including crocodile-like animals. During its time, rivers were completely under the control of this giant snake. If it were alive today, even the largest modern snakes would look tiny beside it. Number 7. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was not just a dinosaur, it was a living monster. It is considered the largest carnivorous dinosaur ever discovered. It reached lengths of 15 meters and weighed up to 9 tons. It was even larger than Tyrannosaurus rex. Unlike most dinosaurs, it was semi-aquatic and spent much of its time in rivers. The massive sail on its back is believed to have been used for regulating body temperature or displaying dominance. Spinosaurus ruled both land and water. Number 6. Megalodon. Megalodon was the largest and deadliest predator of the oceans. It is known as the largest shark to have ever lived. It reached lengths of 18 meters and weighed around 60 tons. Its jaws were powerful enough to crush bone with ease. A single megalodon tooth was larger than a human hand. It hunted whales, seals, and anything unfortunate enough to cross its path. For millions of years, Megalodon ruled the oceans, and its extinction completely reshaped marine ecosystems. Number 5. Leedsichthys. Despite its massive size, Leedsichthys was a true gentle giant. It is considered the largest bony fish ever discovered. Living during the Jurassic period, this enormous fish could grow longer than 16 meters. However, it was not a predator. It fed on plankton. Leedsichthys shows that being enormous does not always mean being dangerous. Sometimes, the largest creatures survive by feeding on the smallest forms of life. Number 4. Paraceratherium. Paraceratherium was the largest land mammal to ever walk the earth. It was a hornless but far larger relative of modern rhinoceroses. It stood about 5 meters tall at the shoulder and weighed up to 20 tons. Its long neck allowed it to easily reach the tops of trees. No land predator could threaten a fully grown Paraceratherium. It was the true giant of the prehistoric plains. Number 3. Blue whale. The blue whale is not only the largest animal alive today, it is the largest animal to have ever existed. It can reach lengths of 30 meters and weigh up to 180 tons, making it heavier than even the largest dinosaurs. Its heart alone is about the size of a small car. Despite its enormous size, it feeds on tiny creatures called krill. Even in today's oceans, nothing can truly be compared to the sheer scale of the blue whale. Number 2. Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus was the largest flying creature in Earth's history. It lived during the late Cretaceous period alongside dinosaurs. Its wingspan reached an astonishing 10 to 11 meters, making it comparable to a small airplane. When standing on the ground, it was as tall as a giraffe. Once it took to the skies, nothing could stop it. Number 1. Amphicoelias. At the top of the list stands a giant surrounded by mystery. Amphicoelias may have been the largest land animal to ever exist. Based on fossil evidence, scientists estimate it may have reached lengths of 50 to 60 meters. If these estimates are accurate, Amphicoelias would have dwarfed all known dinosaurs. It is a symbol of how extreme life on Earth once became a reminder that our planet once truly belonged to giants.